Hello. So here I have a sample problem. Okay. So this problem is related to calculating the bulk volume and the original oil in place. So in this example, we are given the following data. So this one, we have the contour levels and their corresponding, this one, the contour levels and their corresponding areas in inches squared. Okay. And then we have the porosity. Okay. The porosity at 25%, the water, the initial water saturation at 30%, also the formation or the initial oil formation volume factor at 1.4 bbl per STB, and the map scale 1 is to 15,000. The first step for this problem is to understand the given data. Okay. From the problem, we can identify that the areas are initially expressed in squared inches, and then we must convert these areas, okay, into acres. So how? By using this map scale. Okay. In this problem, okay, I already provided the conversion factor uh, of inches squared to acres, and this one, this is it. Okay, and using that conversion factor, we can directly convert those values. Okay, those uh, areas in inches squared into acres. Okay, so now let's proceed to the second part. Okay, or the second step. So the second step, we apply the map scale conversion. This one, okay, this map scale conversion, so that we can convert the area in inches squared, this one, to area in acres for every contour level. So I already provided the answer. So at 0, contour level 0, the corresponding area in inches, in inches squared is 250, and the equivalent conversion will be the equivalent area, okay, will be 8,962.5 in acres. Okay, so repeat the process for every contour level. Okay, and we will use these following areas in acres to calculate the bulk volume, and that is the third step. Okay, that is the third step. Okay, we will calculate, yeah, we will calculate the bulk volume, okay, using the trapezoidal method, using this formula. Okay, using this formula. So let's have assumption here. Okay, for simplicity and demonstration. Okay, we assume that all intervals, okay, all intervals satisfy the conditions, okay, for applying this trapezoidal method. Okay, and then uh, no irregular spacing or missing contours are considered. So again, no, as we recall the method, this trapezoidal method, okay, it has a condition, right? So we're just simply uh, assuming that that is satisfied, okay, that condition is satisfied for every intervals. Okay, so now let's compute it. So based on this formula, the A sub 0 here will be this one, 8,962.5 acres. The first part, this one, this one, this one. Okay, okay. Next, for the interval, okay, the common interval will be 10 feet. Why? So as you can see, for each contour level, so it is increased by 10. So we have 0 and then 10. Then next is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And at between this interval, no, 80 and 86, the thickness is 6, right? So that will be the h prime. H prime is equivalent to 6 feet. Next, for the a sub n, okay, that corresponds to 179 acres. So why? Um, let's look for the last interval, okay, the final interval or the final contour level before before the thickness changes, and that final contour level is at 80. Okay, so 80 at 80 level contour level. So after that, the thickness becomes 6, right? So meaning this will be the final, right? Or this will be the a sub n. Okay? The area of this contour level 80, okay, which is 179, that will be the a sub n. And lastly, for the a sub or a prime rather, that is equal to 0 acres, 0. So the final interval or the final contour level rather, which is 86, the area is at 0. So that will be the a prime, okay, a prime. Okay, so we already defined all the parameters given here. Okay, so let's proceed in the solution part. So in this solution part, I'm just showing you my solution, but you can we can have also other solution aside from this. Okay, but I'm just giving you idea how to calculate it. Okay, but you can try others way of solving this. So we have the bulk volume total, okay, and that is equal to bulk volume sub 1, bulk volume sub 2, okay. So this will be the following formula for the bulk volume total, okay, and I just separate, okay, this part, this one, and that is the bulk volume sub 1, okay? And then for the second part, this one, this will be the formula, okay, that is the bulk volume sub 2. And then if we substitute all the areas as well as the thickness, okay, so for the bulk volume 1, the answer will be um, 257,937 900, yeah, 937.5 acre feet. And for the bulk volume 2, that will be 537 acre feet. and combining those bulk volume 1 and 2. So the total bulk volume will be 258,937.5 acre feet. And this volume, okay, this total bulk volume will be used to calculate the original oil in place. And using the formula for original oil in place, we have N equals 7,758 times the area and thickness. Again, the area multiplied by thickness, that is the bulk volume, okay, times the porosity, times the quantity 1 minus the initial water saturation, all over the initial formation, uh, oil formation volume factor. Okay, just recall all the parameters here and then substitute that to the formula for the original oil in place, and the answer is approximately equal to 2.51 times 10 raised to 8, okay, STB, or converting it to STB, so we have 251. Okay, so this is the original oil in place. So make sure that you uh, include the units. Okay, make sure that all the values are in consistent units. Okay, so that's how you calculate the bulk volume using the trapezoidal method, and using that bulk volume, the calculated bulk volume, we can now calculate the original oil in place.